Well, right here we have a 1962 Dodge Lancer GT. It has a 225 slant 6 in it. Mike found it on Facebook Market last night and decided he could not live without it. So we drove to Henderson this morning and picked it up. We gave it our seal of approval. The guy really knew what he was doing. He put a new master cylinder, all new brakes, new wheel cylinders about 3 years ago. Usually people don't go through that trouble, so that was pretty good. He painted it himself. He did a really good job. New interior, he put a headliner in it himself. There's really not much wrong we could find with it. Yeah, usually when we go and look at cars, we try to figure out every little detail that's wrong with it and try to get the guy down on the price, but you know, it was kind of just too good. We couldn't really find anything wrong with it. It's a really good car. No rust. It was in California for, I think he said 47 or 49 years before it came to the East Coast. And yeah, all in all, it runs good. We took it up the road and back, and it did not take us long to decide to bring it home. So we'll let him put insurance on it and we'll do that. So yeah, if you see, it has new carpet, new seats. The headliner looks really good. He did a really good job on it. Looks like the door panels have been recovered at some point. I'm not sure if he did those. He didn't mention. Push button transmission. It actually has park. It's just a really neat car. Actually has more power than you'd think it has. We didn't have any problem getting it up to speed. I think we got up to about 60 or 65 on the back road that we test drove it on. Does pretty good. I guess it's not too heavy for the 225. So yeah, if you come to the open house on Saturday, you will most likely see it out there. Okay, let's just drive. Oh wait.
You gotta really kick it to kick it off.
There it goes. All right. Nice. Yeah, no power steering, no power brakes, no air condition. Radio probably doesn't work. We do have something. Nice.
I have seen some things in my time, but 4 dudes, 1 Lancer.
And Charlie.
And Charlie.
Okay, that's actually got to be pretty close by the time we get there. Right? I mean, we're going to be going downhill. All right, who's doing the stopwatch?
What's the stopwatch?
We got to time it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got the speedometer.
We got the speedometer.
We're going to get as much real estate as we can.
All right, Charlie, get over here. Let's sit straight. All right, whenever you're ready.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my God, we're not gonna get there.
Yeah, we can't.
We got to like 55.
We stopped at 13 and a half seconds.
That was going so slow.
I thought we were gonna get there.
Oh, that's good stuff.